Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. After Mamelodi Sundowns beat Polokwane City 3-2 after extra time to progress to the MTN8 semi-finals, Saleng was once again not part of the squad. And Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has admitted Munapule Saleng is currently not part of the senior team. Here is what Miguel Cardoso said. Regarding Saleng, the situation is unfortunately very different. Saleng consecutively broke the rules and the value of the locker room of the club. Well, not in this moment, but for some time already, he is not training with the team. Saleng was on the list for the second match of the Champions League final and he didn't appear. Saleng was on the list to go to pre-season camp. He did not appear, or he said he would not go. So it's impossible for us to keep stability with a player you give so much love, even after he systematically failed, but he is not ready to make the path that the team needs to have. So the club decided to put him separate from the team. He is not with us right now. Those are the words of Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of what Miguel Cardoso said regarding Munapule Saleng? He's saying that he broke the rules. He did not pitch up for the second leg of the Champions League final and also for preseason. He said for preseason, he even said that he didn't want to go. What do you think is going on with Munapule Saleng at Sundowns? Do you think that the troubles that he had at Orlando Pirates are following him at Mamelodi Sundowns? Let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that it's the clubs that do not understand him? Or maybe Munapule Saleng's just not professional enough? Let me hear your thoughts down below. And in other news, former Orlando Pirates star Relebohile Mofokeng scored 4 minutes after coming off the bench on his Belgian Jupiler Pro League debut, making it 3-1 for Union Saint-Gilloise versus Westerlo. A week ago, he scored a winning penalty in the penalty shootout against Club Brugge to secure the Belgian Super Cup for Union Saint-Gilloise. Now, Mofokeng was introduced in the 60th minute with his team leading 2-1 and he wasted no time getting into the score sheet. Now, what do you think of the 21-year-old hitting the ground running in Europe? That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.